In this video, I want to demonstrate how a script can be a lot faster than a built-in feature to Photoshop. I have a layered document. I want to export every single layer as a separate file, a separate PNG file. And I'll first show you how the script does it. So the script is actually a free script. The links are in the description to the video. So I do file select scripts. I select the script, click open. Script gives me a number of options. So I'm exporting transparent, trimmed layers and separate PNG files. So it goes through at a rapid pace and it will export 41 layers in a matter of seconds. By contrast, I'll show the Photoshop version, which will just outrun the video, but I'll start with export, files to layers to files, select run, and this will take forever.